Hey everyone! Today, we'll show you how to fix a missing main navigation menu in your Shopify store. If your menu isn't showing up, don't worry. We'll walk you through the steps to restore it quickly. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Content. Under Content, click Menus. Under your menus, check if everything is properly linked. Make sure your menu items are connected to the right links, such as the home page or other content pages. Once that looks good, let's move to your online store. Click Online Store, then go to Themes. From there, click Edit on your theme. Here, we'll check the menu settings. If the menu is still not showing, we'll fix it here. Click on the header section, then select the menu option. Click Edit to update the menu link. Make sure the correct menu is selected. Check that the right menu is assigned and that the link is correct. Double-check the link to confirm everything is properly connected. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's how we fix a missing main navigation menu in your Shopify store. A working menu helps customers easily browse your site and find what they're looking for.